Today I will show you how to record screen in Windows 11. Just go and press the Print Screen key. It will most likely be located at the top right side of your keyboard. If you can't find it, you can also press Shift plus Windows plus S keys together to open it. Now from here, select this video icon, and you will have to choose the area you want to record. I will select the whole screen because I want to record everything. This button will start and stop the recording process. From this drop-down menu, you can select and mute or unmute your microphone. This icon is to mute or unmute your Windows sound, whether you want to add it to the video or not. Now simply click on this Start button to start the recording process. After you stop and save the recording, open your File Explorer, head to the Videos, and the recording should be available in the Screen Recordings folder. This is super useful to quickly record your screen in Windows 11 without using any third-party application. Also, if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you can use the NVIDIA app to record your screen in games. Go to the NVIDIA's official website, download and install this application. After installation, restart your PC. Open the NVIDIA app. Now go to Settings from the left tab and enable NVIDIA Overlay from this slider. Now press Alt+Z to open the overlay. From here, you can switch your microphone status and simply click on Record and press Yes to start the process. You can stop it from here or just press Alt plus F9. You can also see the recorded video in the gallery above, open to view the video, or click on this icon to open its directory. It is also in the Videos folder. Now I personally use OBS to record my screen because it is a professional video recording software that is also available for free. If you want to learn how to download and install it, just go to my channel and check out the full guide on how to download and install OBS on PC. And that's it.